The meteorologist Jim Flowers is here, and at 6:30 our time yesterday, we were really captivated watching what was going into Dodge City in Kansas. Just came down and sat there.
Right. I mean, that was a long-lived tornado, and then we actually watched it kind of rope out, and another one actually develop out to the northeast. So it became kind of a family of tornadoes. We could be looking at a significant severe weather outbreak here after 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Now, hail and heavy rain are the main threats. However, there is a possibility of some tornadoes as well. We're going to be watching some boundaries that set up tomorrow. Could be a warm front just to our south, so this may actually be increased by later in the afternoon. Right now, we're under an enhanced risk. There's even talk of upgrading that to a moderate risk. So hail up to golf ball size, possibly larger than that. 2 to 4 inches of rain tomorrow night. Winds, not a significant issue, but we'll be keeping a track on that as well. These parameters could be changing. Again, the enhanced risk has been pushed a little bit further to the east to include the Omaha metro. Again, large hail, strong winds, and the possibility for some very heavy rains tomorrow night into early on Friday. We take a look at what's happening out there right now. Not much showing up on radar. However, the clouds, the moisture is literally getting packed along the I-80 corridor. Typically, when we see this, this becomes fuel for storms, especially as we head through the overnight hours. Now, the closest ones that are occurring are back out in the central part of the state, but as that energy moves across the state later tonight, we will probably see storms develop in that cloud band right over us. Flooding is going to be an issue, maybe not so much tonight, but tomorrow night. Some of the guidance indicates less than 2 inches of rain in 3 hours, which in this pattern is not that much, could produce flash flooding across the area. Threat tracker is on the high side. Again, after 4 o'clock tomorrow, potential for severe thunderstorms, large hail, possible tornadoes, and very heavy rain, and it stays on the moderate category right into Saturday. Temperatures right now in the upper 70s across the area, although where you get out of the clouds, like up toward Tacoma, Norfolk, and Wayne, temperatures there have been running in the lower 80s. Again, a little bit of late day sun, but you can see the clouds, that moisture getting into the region. The dew point, very important. That has climbed to 66 degrees. That indicates plenty of fuel for the fire later on. Across the area, again, not much to our south. We'll be watching disturbance moving in and watch this cloud band because there may be some storms developing in that a little bit later on. In fact, the latest short-range models indicate storms rolling east and moving in around 11:30 tonight, again, feeding off of those clouds. They move out by 1 a.m., leaving behind a quick half inch, maybe more in some areas. Tonight, thunderstorms possible anytime after about 11 o'clock, the low 60. For tomorrow, late day storms stay up on the forecast. Things are going to be changing very rapidly in the afternoon. 85 degrees. Again, threat tracker, one of those rare occasions where it is in the high category. Over the next 3 days, storm chances continue into the weekend and beyond. However, right now, Sunday does not look to be too bad. We could catch a break there weather-wise. This is a great opportunity, especially, and I want to point this out for you campers that are heading out there. I know the setup days are typically Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Download Storm Shield, please, before you go out. Things could be changing very quickly tomorrow, especially onto your iPhone. Go to the address listed on the screen. Guys.
All right, Jim.